I got good news on the CD collection front. I received a couple more. I still have more ordered. They're a little bit slow coming in the mail, but I'll have them soon. And one of my recent videos actually made some money. So my budget has been increased. I can buy some more. And it's funny because I got a comment on that video saying something to the effect that if you were to look up clickbait, you would find this as a prime example. And yes, there was a little bit of clickbait in the title. I can't deny that. I wanted to try it again. I try that kind of thing every once in a while to see what the reaction would be. And the reaction this time is that I made enough money on that video to buy a few more CDs. Let's talk about the thing that you saw in the thumbnail of this video. It's what I called my stereo headboard. And I made that when I was 16 or 17 years old, so quite a long time ago. And at the time, it was the best listening experience I ever had. What it was just a very roughly made headboard from scrap plywood that I scrounged up with an open back, except for the box that was in the middle that my head would fit into, had a back, and it had sides where I put a pair of speakers. Now the speakers that I had were from a car. They were from the rear deck that I took out, and I can't remember the brand. It wasn't the higher end or anything. Might have been something like Emerson or Coax, I think was another one at the time. Very cheap speakers. Coax had a small cone tweeter in the middle and a bigger, I think they were 5.5 or something, woofer. But man, did they ever sound good inside that little space. At the time I had a cassette player and I was listening to cassettes on the headphones, these cheap headphones that came with the cassette player. And when you compared it to the headphones, it like blew the headphones away. It was amazing how good that sounded. Now I can't remember how long I kept that headboard for. Months at least, I know that, before I took the speakers out again and used them for some other contraption. But I do remember the first album that I listened to after I had it finished, and that was this one right here, Supertramp, Crime of the Century. I had that on cassette. I had recently got it, and I was very much into listening to it. And I like everything that's on here. This is one of the, and I don't do this often. Like when I listen to music, I generally listen to a playlist or a mix, or I just sit there and I pick something new from a different album to listen to. I rarely play an album through, but this is one of the ones that I do. I like everything that's on here. Along with Crime of the Century, I also had this one right here, which is Even in the Quietest Moments, once again from Supertramp. I know I listened to this inside the headboard as well. Lots of great stuff on here. Another one that I listened to the entire album. Like I play the whole thing through.